Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we are going to be talking about the Glowforge exhaust extenders here. This is going to be a follow-up video to the Glowforge external fan reducers, and I told you guys I had some of these coming in the mail. Well, these came in the mail here, and I wanted to do a follow-up video, so this is going to be a real short video and explaining what they are, where you can get it, and go from there. So Joe from Marston's Manufacturing, he sent me 2 more of these when he found out that I had 3 Glowforges here. So I already have this on my Pro model Glowforge. I love it. Basically, all it does is it slips on the actual exhaust fan on the back of your Glowforge. You know how there's that little tiny lip. It's really hard to get your duct on there. Well, this slips on there and it basically extends it. Gives it this much extra that the ductwork can just clamp on there. I'll show you guys a video of that in just a second here. But basically that is what this is for. And then if you need to clean your Glowforge, you can just pop this on and slide it off anytime. Clean out your fan and then pop it back on and leave the hose connected the whole time. So no more fidgeting with that weird little clamp thing that Glowforge sends you from manufacturing to get it on that tiny lip that's on the back of the machine. So that's pretty much what this is for. I'm going to show you guys a real quick clip of that, and then that's pretty much it for this video. That's what this is for, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging from the last video. I wanted to do a follow-up on these. These are great. I'm going to leave Joe's link to his shop and his manufacturing page in the description below. Definitely check those out. This is a great product to have. Other than that, we'll see you guys in the next video.